Hey guys, if you're trying to play Thrones and Liberty and the game keeps crashing, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can solve it. So whether you're getting this error code UE4 TL or the game just keeps crashing in general, then the first thing you need to do is launch up the Steam application and head over to Library at the top navigation here. Then in your list of games, just scroll down and locate Throne and Liberty, and we're going to right click on this and select Properties. From the left hand side, select Installed Files, and the first thing you need to do is just click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now this will just ensure that all of your files are working correctly and nothing's been damaged or corrupted. So you'll need to wait for this to get to 100%, and then once this gets to 100% you can close out of this window. Now in most cases just doing this alone should fix the issue. If that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is heading over to your start menu, searching for settings and then clicking on the settings window. From the left hand side select Windows Update and then just press check for updates in the corner here, and just make sure you are running the latest version of Windows. It's unlikely this would be the reason your game's crashing, but it's always worth just making sure you're up to date anyway. So once you've installed any pending updates inside of Windows, you then need to head back over to the Steam application, and once again we're going to right click on Throne and Liberty and this time select Properties. In the General tab here you'll see Launch Options, and now you need to type in here the minus sign followed by DX11, and what this command will do is it will make your game run using DirectX 11. So once again this can also fix a lot of crashing issues. So once you've entered that, just close out of this window and then you can try launching up the game to see if that's now working. And then finally, if you're still experiencing crashing issues, what you would need to do is launch up Throne and Liberty. Now once you're inside of the game, just click on the settings icon at the top here, head over to graphics, and you want to change the screen mode from borderless to either full screen or windowed. Sometimes alternating between these screen modes can also fix the crashing issue, so you'll just need to find out which one works best for you, and once again hopefully that now solves the crashing issue. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.